Deauville, a small coastal town in northern France. I came here with no plan, just a feeling. I tried to walk gracefully, but the wind had other plans. It was so cold, and my nose turned red. The wind was strong, my hair danced wildly. But I couldn't stop smiling. The sea was gray, but somehow it calmed me. The sound of waves reminded me nothing lasts forever, but this moment, I wanna hold it close. There are days when I just watch, not thinking, not planning, just being. The sea doesn't ask questions, it just listens. I wonder if the wind remembers me. Maybe that's why it holds me like this. Even this moment became art. I came here with no plan, and I'm living with the memory of treasure. Even the wind felt like part of the art. This is what I collect, not things, but feelings. Thank you, Deauville. We didn't say much. We didn't need to. Just being together was enough to make this place feel like home.